Breaking news. Nigerian High Court bars Nnamdi Kanu's supporters from premises for terrorism cases within few hours to Nnamdi Kanu's hearing. You see the reason why people are agitating. You see the reason why people are saying that this government is finished. Now, what is the meaning of this? Is Nnamdi Kanu's case a secret trial? Then why are they doing this? Then if people start talking, if Nigerians start talking, they'll say Nigerians are talking, just hatred and all that. But this is really very wrong. Let's see how they are going to play this game today. But the truth is that they just have to be very careful what they will do, because this will spell doom to the country if they do otherwise. The Federal High Court of Nigeria has stated that the premises of the court sitting over a terrorism trial should be henceforth be secured for the period of the trial for the safety of litigants and the court officials. The Federal High Court on Thursday stated this in a directory referred to as Practice Directions on Trial of Terrorism Cases obtained by Sahara reporters. By this new directive, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Tiso, further noted that the distance and the size of perimeters to be secured for the trial should be determined based on the recommendation of security agencies on a case-by-case basis. The court sitting and anticipated ruling on the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu's trial by the Nigerian government comes up today, Friday, April 8th, and will be the first casualty of this new directive. Kanu, whose court sittings are usually attended by a large number of supporters, activists, and observers, will be in court again today in a decisive court ruling, and the new directive may not be unconnected with his trial. The Chief Judge further noted that no person shall be allowed within the secured perimeters save the approved court officials, parties, and the number of pre-registered legal practitioners on either side, witnesses, and any other person as may be directed by the judge or the most senior judge in the given circumstances. The directive reads, Practice Directions on Trial of Terrorism Cases 2022. In exercise of the powers conferred on me by Section 254 of the Constitution of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and all other powers enabling me in that behalf, I, John Tosho, the Honorable, the Chief Judge, Federal High Court of Nigeria, hereby make the following practice directions. Order 1. These practice directions shall save to the extent as many be otherwise directed by the Honorable, the Chief Judge, apply to all trials of cases under the Terrorism Prevention in brackets Act 2011 as amended before the Federal High Court sitting anywhere in Nigeria. Order 2. Directions on trial proceedings. Perimeters of the court. A. The perimeters of the court sitting over terrorism trial should be secured for the period of the trial for safety of litigants and court officials. B. Distance and size of perimeters to be secured for the trial should be determined based on the recommendation of security agencies on a by case basis. C. No person shall be allowed within the secured perimeters save the approved court officials, parties, and a number of pre-registered illegal practitioners or either side, witnesses, and any other person as may be directed by the judge or the most senior judge in the given circumstances. 2. Premises of the courts only the judges, all other essential court staff, and security agencies involved in the particular case and their vehicles shall have access to the court premises. Order 3. The courtroom proceedings. Proceedings of offenses of terrorism subject to the provisions of Section 232 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 and Section 34 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2011 as amended shall be heard in camera or as may be ordered by the court. The names, address, telephone, numbers, and identity of the victims of such offenses or witnesses in the proceedings shall not be disclosed in any record or report of the proceedings, and it shall be sufficient to designate the names of the victims or witnesses with a combination of alphabet in any proceedings where the court deems it necessary to ensure the safety and or protect the identity of the victim or a witness. It may take any or all of the following protective measures: hold its proceedings at any place to be designated by the Chief Judge, and in the case of the Abuja Judiciary Division, the venue for the time being shall be the premises of the Code of Conduct Tribunal. B. Receive audience by video link. C. Permit the witnesses to be screened or masked. Receive written the position of expert witnesses. Direct that should or any part of the proceedings of the court should not be published in any manner. Exclude from the proceedings any person other than the parties and their illegal representative. Make order as to any electronic devices that will be allowed during proceedings. Make order on any other measure that the court consider appropriate in the circumstances. Honestly, I cannot just go on again and again because all this is just nonsense. What are they trying to do now? So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case now is a secret trial. They don't want people to video the courtroom. They don't want journalists to come in. In fact, Nigeria government, make una dey careful. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts with us below the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye for now.